name is Princess Pratt, and I'll be your host for today for the program, The Importance of Language and Literacy from 0 to 8 years old. Language and literacy are major domains of early childhood development. Language development involves development of skills used to communicate through language. Literacy development is the ability to read and write. Children are born with the capacity for these developments. Learning to read from 0 to 8 consists of stages. At the preschool age, children grows more and more independent. The 5 stages of learning to read are the emergent pre-reader from 6 months to 6 years, who will sit on a lap and learn from a range of multiple sounds, words, exposures to prints, and literacy materials. Emergent reading arises out of the years of perceptions. The novice reader, between 6 and 7 years old, in this stage, the child is learning the relationships between letters, sounds, and between printed and spoken words. Next, we have the decoding reader, between 7 to 9 years. At this stage, the child is reading simple, familiar stories and selections with increasing fluency. Developing language and literacy using technology in preschool classroom. Using technology in the development of language and literacy in the preschoolers has become an everyday practice in many educational institutions. When using technology to help students create, students learn how to be productive, literate people. Technology allows the addition of multisensory elements, which provides meaningful context to facilitate comprehension while expanding grounds for language and linguistics research into the effects of technology in the development of language and literacy. Technology used in the preschool classroom helps teachers to come up with creative, collaborative ways of learning and communicating. Technology has become a major player in how we teach children to read and how to comprehend what they read. E-reading activities of children have offered for favorable effects of the digital form. Technology is used in preschool classroom to support early literacy skills. It was found that interactive ebooks used by teachers and parents let students perform at higher reading level. Development appropriate techniques promotes children. Young children also need development appropriate experiences and teaching to support literacy. Children need positive nurturing relationships with adults who will engage in conversation with individuals. As adults, we can engage in play that incorporates literacy tools, such as writing a grocery list in a dramatic play, making signs in a block building, and using icons and words in exploring computer games. One way that adults can improve a child literacy is through shared book reading between adult and pre-literate children. Is one of the most effective means of exposing young learners to new vocabulary words within meaningful contexts. Digital activities associated with share books may be beneficial. To further encourage their language development skills, teachers and adults may want to give children in-person or virtual trips in the community to identify various tools, objects that may be related to the lesson or their reading, and the materials they have read. We have come to the final moments in our talk show. Thank you for tuning in.